Mastering electronic signatures is now simpler than ever with this comprehensive DocuSign guide. First, let's explore sending a document. Navigate to the Send option and select Send an envelope. This is where you upload the files you need signed. You can drag and drop your documents or browse your computer directly. Once uploaded, DocuSign's intuitive editor allows you to place signature fields, date fields, text boxes, and more simply drag these from the right-hand panel onto your document where they're needed. Next, specify who needs to sign. Enter their email addresses. Here, you can add multiple recipients and even set the signing order if the process needs to be sequential. Don't forget to personalize your message. A clear subject line and a brief note in the message body will help your recipients understand what action is required. Before sending, always review your document and recipient details. Once you're satisfied, click Send to deliver the documents electronically. For signers, receiving a DocuSign email is straightforward. They'll click the Review Document button within the email. DocuSign guides them through each required field, ensuring all necessary information is captured. They can adopt a signature, draw their own, or type it in. Upon completion, both sender and signer receive a fully executed PDF copy of the document, securely stored within DocuSign. The DocuSign dashboard provides a central hub to manage all your documents. You can track their status, download completed agreements, and retain them securely in the cloud, making your entire document workflow efficient and professional.